Hi, my name is Maritza Batzel and I'm the Mechanical Assembler Intern here at Cefla North America. Since 1987, Cefla North America has been committed to manufacturing in the U.S. because of our dedication to our customers. We engineer, design, assemble, and test machines specifically designed for the North American market in our Charlotte facility. We produce profile and flatline technologies such as vacuum coating, roll coating, and spray machines. Our solutions are consistently improving to serve our customers better and assist in transforming the market. Our spare parts and service teams fully support our manufacturing process and assist in every stage of our strategy. To learn more about Cefla North America, visit ceflafinishing.com and follow our new LinkedIn page, Cefla Finishing North America.